Get ready. Tonight, the sky holds a treat. Venus and Saturn will waltz together. They'll be close, a sight you won't forget. We call this a conjunction. It's when planets look near each other, but it's an illusion from our view on Earth. Imagine a giant racetrack in space. Planets are the runners. They have their own lanes. Some are fast, some are slow. Venus is speedy, Saturn takes it slow. Sometimes from Earth, they seem to line up, like runners passing each other. These conjunctions aren't everyday events. Think of it like this. You're on one merry-go-round, Venus on another, Saturn's on a much bigger one, farther away. It takes time for those merry-go-rounds to align you just right to see your planetary friends seemingly close together. Want to see this cosmic dance? It's easy. Find a spot with a clear view of the sunset, no telescopes needed. As the sun dips below the horizon, look west. Venus will be the brighter one, shining like a diamond. Saturn, fainter, will be beside it. This is a sight you'll remember. Don't miss this cosmic show.